shortly first schedule. And first, thanks this for this PowerPoint. And the first schedule is heavily total. Let's think about heavily total. Heavily means something in material and weakness from heaven. Because it originates from heaven, so it should be pure, clean. So when we want to go back to the heaven, we should also purify and clarify our spirit, our true self. And the total indicates both door and a total means the main door for somewhere. Take the example for this example. When you want to come in this temple, we should go through the main door. And when that ends, and we want to leave for our home, we should also leave through the main door. And this main door is the portal. And the portal also indicates green, wildlife, something is in. So when we combine these two words, heavenly portal, it means a main door for our true self, and to enter and exist for our body, because we can easily tell a living body and a dead body. What's the difference? Without the true self, without the spirit, although a living body and a dead body both carry the eyes, ears, mouth, legs, hands, but without the true self enter this body is a kind of dead body. So, but where and which way the true self enter this body, it goes through a portal, and this portal is heaven. The right main door is heavenly portal. So you can do you remember which place the enlightened master point out with his finger, point out lightly? Are you okay? Yes. Yeah, correct. And this is the correct place of heavenly portal. Not higher, not lower, not even extra, like that's the middle of our head. And if you try to focus your mind on the heavenly portal, you may find powerful peace. You can calm down yourself. This is because the heavenly portal is a connection point with our true self and the heaven. And if you practice yourself and cultivate yourself to focus on the heavenly portal, you can find yourself and the universe become one. And this is a very precious and very special opportunity for us to find out the heavenly portal by the propagation of sound and by the enlightened master to open it up. Okay. The right place of the heavenly portal. And let's take example from the Bible, some words to the proof of the heavenly portal. The Bible says, it is good for thee to enter into life with one eye, rather than having two eyes to be cast into the hell of fire. So if you want to into the heaven, the Bible tells us you should with one eye. one line, not the two. So, but which line is the correct? The Bible don't tell us. So, I think it is not mean these two lines. It means to indicate another two lines for our two cells, for our students. So today, the mathematics tell us the heavenly portal. Where is the heavenly portal? So we should know. Someday when we die, someday we want to. Someday our two cells will go back to the heaven to live through the heavenly portal, like we correct window. So that is the first treasure of God. Now it's will come next one will use the second treasure.
Thank you. Very good.